Benefits of licorice for skin. 1. Brightens skin tone. Helps reduce dark spots, pigmentation, and tanning. Contains glabridin, which inhibits excess melanin. Makes skin look more even and radiant. 2. Calms sensitive and irritated skin. Strong anti-inflammatory properties. Helps with redness, itching, and rashes. Great for sensitive or reactive skin. Helps with acne and pimples. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Reduces redness and swelling of acne. Helps prevent acne marks. Deep hydration. Helps skin retain moisture. Works well with glycerin or aloe vera. Improves skin softness and smoothness. Anti-aging support. Rich in antioxidants. Helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Protects skin from environmental damage. Sun damage repair. Soothes sunburned skin. Helps fade sunspots over time. Warning, it does not replace sunscreen. Helps with scars and marks. Gradually fades acne scars and blemishes. Improves overall skin texture. Who should use licorice? Dry skin. Sensitive skin. Pigmentation issues. Acne-prone skin, when used correctly. Why these ingredients are used. Licorice, mule tea brightens skin, helps with pigmentation, dark spots, and uneven tone. Coconut oil, deep moisturizer, supports skin barrier, best for dry skin. Vitamin E capsules, antioxidant, helps with scars, dryness, and skin repair. Olive oil, nourishing, rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. Glycerin, powerful humectant, pulls moisture into the skin. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon licorice powder, or strong licorice water. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1 vitamin E capsule, pierced. Half a teaspoon glycerin. Mix all ingredients in a clean bowl until smooth. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, face or body. Leave on 20 to 30 minutes or overnight for very dry skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. What it helps with. Dry, flaky skin. Mild pigmentation and dark spots. Dull or uneven skin tone. Skin softness and glow. Licorice is a gentle yet powerful natural ingredient that helps brighten, soothe, and nourish the skin. With regular and correct use, it can improve skin tone, reduce pigmentation, and promote healthy, glowing skin naturally.